8 or 9 years ago, the idea of a foldable smartphone was genuinely exciting. A device that could collapse inward, essentially minimizing its footprint. Yet the execution of foldable devices at the time lagged behind the concept. They carried premium price tags that outstripped their performance, leaving users questioning the value proposition. Now, 7 years after the first foldable debuted, not much has evolved, which is notable. Given that, it's not shocking to hear reports that Samsung has allegedly scaled back production of the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 by up to 40%. It seems Samsung isn't the only brand grappling with such strategic decisions. My concern is whether foldable phone sales are truly weak enough to warrant such a drastic cutback. Why then is Samsung forging ahead with an even bolder and potentially pricier model, the Galaxy GFold? The main issue with foldables isn't poor performance. In fact, a quick glance at our rankings of the best foldables reveals that they offer real advantages. These phones provide expanded utility in compact form factors, whether via clamshell or book-style layouts, turning tablet-sized displays into pocketable devices that eliminate the need for extra bags. But the biggest hurdle is pricing. Premium foldable phones often launch at $1,700, nearly double the cost of conventional flagships. That's a steep investment, even when amortized over years, and remains out of reach for many users. Clamshell models cost less, yet even budget options like the 2025 Motorola Razr run several $100s. At those price points, the second key concern with foldables becomes clear: their feature disparity compared to non-folding phones. While advancements have been made, foldables still lag slightly behind in replicating flagship specs. For example, Samsung's 200MP camera, introduced with the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2023, has been conspicuously missing from the Z Fold lineup. Only the limited edition Z Fold variant received the sensor. All other models maxed out at 50MP. That means foldable users missed out on both the 200MP and the 108MP camera from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Rumors suggest this could change with a Z Fold 7 featuring the 200MP sensor, but the fact remains: foldables have been behind the curve. It's difficult to justify spending flagship-level money when traditional phones deliver more value. So far, sales numbers seem to echo this. In 2023, foldables held just 1.6% of the global smartphone market. That figure is projected to rise to 5% by 2028. While growth exists, it doesn't signal widespread success. When you factor in foldables' marketing gaps, it raises the question: why pursue the GFold at all? If standard dual-screen foldables struggle to gain traction, why double down with the more extravagant version? Perhaps I'm overlooking something, but it's hard to see how the GFold avoids the same pitfalls, especially when adding a third screen, and Hinge won't make it cheaper. With the Z Fold 6 starting at $1,900 and the Trifold Huawei Mate X-T nearing $3,000, the GFold could easily become Samsung's priciest phone yet. Any device commanding such a premium must justify its cost in ways foldables have yet to do consistently. At minimum, it needs camera capabilities, battery endurance, and raw performance on par with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Plus, value-added features like fast charging, S Pen support, and Qi 2 wireless charging are expected. Whether that happens remains unclear, but based on Samsung's past foldables, confidence isn't high. Ultimately, this is a niche product aimed at an even smaller audience than existing foldables, so much so that Samsung likely has modest sales expectations. That could explain rumors about its limited availability compared to Z Fold models. I don't doubt the Galaxy GFold will be a premium quality device. We've moved past the flawed first-gen Galaxy Fold, and Samsung likely won't repeat those early mistakes. Despite any setbacks, I expect the GFold to live up to the Galaxy Fold name with refined craftsmanship. Foldables simply don't match the sales of candy bar-style phones, and the reasons are valid. Adding an extra foldable screen won't suddenly make them mainstream, especially if the price fears are realized. It begs the question: is Samsung building this phone for profit, or is this a PR maneuver to assert dominance over Chinese competitors? With leaks hinting that the Galaxy GFold might debut later this year, we won't wait long to find out. The trifold layout is the GFold's defining trait, enabling seamless transition from phone to tablet. When folded, it functions as a compact 6.5-inch phone, ideal for portability and single-hand use. Unfolded, it transforms into a 10-inch tablet, perfect for media, productivity, and multitasking. Core innovations include 1. G-style trifold engineering. This dual-axis inward folding protects the flexible OLED panel, guarding it against external damage. 2. Ergonomic usability. The trifold removes awkward aspect ratios, ensuring smooth operation across both formats. This not only enhances longevity, but supports diverse user needs, from casual users to professionals. At the heart of the GFold lies an advanced flexible display, showcasing Samsung's OLED leadership. Designed to resist creasing and stress, it addresses one of the top concerns, durability. This helps the display stay vibrant and functional over time. 1. External screen access. A secondary cover display handles key tasks like messaging and calls without needing to unfold. 2. Long-term resilience. The panel is engineered for thousands of folds, maintaining consistent performance. Through a blend of innovation and functionality, the GFold elevates foldable standards. Samsung has taken durability concerns seriously, incorporating solutions to boost everyday usability. 1. Internal folding shields the main screen from scratches, debris, and impact. 2. Robust construction likely includes premium materials like reinforced polymers and metals to strengthen the frame and hinges. 3. Exterior screen use reduces strain on the inner display, increasing longevity. These enhancements position the GFold as a durable flagship for users who demand both innovation and toughness. The device's expanded display also demands an intelligent power solution. Samsung has likely integrated new technologies to deliver extended battery life across phone and tablet modes. 1. Dual-cell battery layout distributes energy efficiently throughout the chassis. 2. Power-optimized OLED reduces drain while maintaining vibrant visuals. These upgrades provide reliable all-day performance, even under heavy usage. The trifold setup uses a twin hinge system, a major engineering feat and a challenge. While it allows for compact folding and a larger screen, it adds bulk and weight concerns. 1. Weight reduction. Samsung must minimize heft while retaining durability. 2. Hinged strength. The system needs to endure constant movement without failing. This design-function balance is vital for user experience.